Hi guys, this is Jurij and welcome back. In Japan, you might heard some news about there is a bear attack to the local people living near the mountain area or even the tourists. Sometimes the bear just come to find something to eat, but accidentally people found out and then the bear started to attack. So I came up with an idea that if there is a robot that can be monitoring their farm or the parking lot or the garden area, and once it detects an object, like in this case a bear, then we can use this robot to chase or scare the bear to run away so the people doesn't need to be facing with it directly. Today I would like to show you the ATCrawler robot that could be used in this bear attack scenario and keep the people safe. If you're ready, let's get started. From 2025, there were news reported about bear attack in several areas, and the numbers of victims, both injured and killed, are raised up to 236 cases. Compared to 20 years recorded, the 2025 became a large step change for injured, fatalities, and victims in total. Why attacks have increased? Some of the research said it was from increasing bear numbers, population, lack of crops or foods in the mountain, so the bear try to find other place for their food, hunter shortage. This could be from aging society in Japan. Reuters reported that both species of black and brown bears have been expanding more than double to around 11,000 in the 3 decades for brown bears and 44,000 roughly for black bears. A common way to trap a bear is to use a large cage with bait. Once the bear gets closer to the bait, and pressure sensor plate triggers the door to shut down. Then the hunter shoots the bear head as an execution. Hunting bears is not something fashionable, it's risky for hunters themselves. It's a very dangerous job and is not too much paid in return as well. From some experts who studies bear, the solution we need is a clearer border for human and bears to live together and consistent effort to make sure that bears don't enter human areas. One of the idea as robot developer, we can use this kind of robot, we call it ATCrawler, a small medium size that can patrolling around your area. We can equip it with anything we want. We have megaphone speaker to make some noise up to 90 decibel in 10 meters, and there is gimbal camera to monitor around the area, and also this tiny thermal camera to check the hotspot during at night. I have a video explaining about this tiny thermal camera and how to use it with object detection. And there is GPS antenna on top here so we can see the robot location in real time on the map. Inside the control box, there is a custom designed single board called AT Avatar board and the motor driver. On the box lid, here is motor driver which connect with computer by USB port. And there is S-bus receiver for radio control. This AT Avatar board is a carrier board working with Raspberry Pi CM5 and various functions to connect with necessary stuff for robot development. This is EC25G SIM card modem, so it could connect to the internet all the time. And the red board down here is U-Blocks F9P, connects where you are to the board. And the Ethernet cable here is for gimbal camera, and there is built-in amplifier for speaker. The robot just needs this Makita Tools battery, plugging on at the back, and it's just ready to go. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. PCBWay is an online platform where you can start making a prototype from PCB board, high quality 3D printed, or even CNC machining part from a simple aluminum manufacturing or with a custom requirement for anodized with coloring or stainless steel sheet metal part. No matter how difficult the part is, they could manage to manufacture as from your design. Even you are a student working on school project or hobbyists who enjoy creating stuff, don't keep your idea just as a file in the computer. Why don't you try PCBWay for your next project? Here I put the robot in my parking lot. You can imagine that it could be on farming area, in the garden or private property to patrolling around. Then you can control it from web browser anywhere with internet access and the real-time video streaming as the robot is seeing right now. On the thermal camera, is running object detection directly on the edge computer. The frame rate would be a little bit slower, but it's good enough to detect when something shows up. Right now it's a human detection, but we can train a model to detect bears as well. Then it will send email to notify that there is some object detected with this temperature, so you can open the web browser to see it later. We can control the gimbal camera by panning, tilting, or zooming to have a clearer view on a specific target. Also, you can speak and make some sound to chase the bear.
Hello, test. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I made 4 buttons here to play gunfire, explosive, and silent sound. So this could scare a bear easier than human voice. And that's today's video. I hope you guys like it. This video is more like a demonstration of the project that we think it would be useful in the future. If you want to see some of the interesting project that we can use the robot in real life, please don't forget to press like and share buttons. And if you would like to support my channel, there is a super thanks button to give me some energy to keep doing this. And there is a join button so you can be a membership of this channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.